Hi guys, in this video we're going to be looking at introduction to fractions. A fraction is a part of a whole number or object. When we talk about fraction, we are saying that this is a part of a whole number or a whole item. Okay, if we have an example like this, we have an orange. This is one orange. Okay, a mother came back from the market and she bought one orange for her two boys. These two boys will share this orange into two parts, two equal parts, right? One boy is going to take this part while the other boy is going to take this part. Now, the one orange has been shared into two. So each part will be 1 all over 2. This means one orange has been shared into two parts. Here will also be 1 all over 2. One orange has been shared into two parts. So each boy has taken a fraction of the whole orange. So a fraction is simply a part of a whole number or object. Now we are going to look at basic parts of a fraction. Every fraction has two basic parts. The first one is the numerator and the second one denominator. So if we have a fraction in this form, 1 all over 2, a fraction like this has two parts. The number on top is called numerator, and the number below is called denominator. So whenever you see a fraction, you must observe to look for the numerator, which is the number on top, and then the denominator, which is the number below. This knowledge will help you to identify types of fractions. Okay, so the understanding of the parts of the fraction will help you to understand the types of fraction. Okay, depending on the number that is on top and the number that is at the bottom. So the first type of fraction is proper fraction. What is a proper fraction? This is a fraction whose numerator is smaller than its denominator. So a proper fraction is a fraction whose numerator is smaller than its denominator. So if we have a fraction like this, 2 all over 5, the numerator, the number on top, is 2, and then the denominator, which is the number below, is 5. So when you look at it, you're going to observe that the number on top is smaller than the number below. So it is called a proper fraction. I like to use this example when teaching my students. If a father is coming back from work and the son sees him through the window and runs to meet him, what happens is that the father lifts the child up. It is proper in that situation for a father to lift his son up because the father, which is the denominator, is bigger than the son, who is the numerator. Okay? So a proper fraction, the numerator is smaller than the denominator. The next type of fraction is improper fraction. This is a fraction whose numerator is larger than its denominator. So if we have a reverse situation where we have 5 all over 2, in this situation, the larger number is on top while the smaller number is below. It is improper. Let's reverse the example we gave. The father coming back from work and the child runs to him for him to lift him up. Proper, right? What about a situation where the son is coming back from school and the father sees him through the window, runs out for the child to lift him up? Is it proper? No. It's not proper because the smaller number, the child who is smaller, is trying to lift the father who is bigger up. So any fraction whose numerator is larger than its denominator is called an improper fraction. The third type of fraction we are going to look at is mixed fraction or mixed numbers. This is a fraction that contains a whole number and a proper fraction. This is a fraction that contains a whole number and a proper fraction. So if you have something like this, 2 whole number, 2 all over 5. 2 whole number, 2 all over 5. This is a mixed fraction. It is a mixed fraction because it contains a whole number and a proper fraction. Okay, the whole number here is 2 and the proper fraction is 2 all over 5. So these are the basic types of fraction. Okay, in our next video, we are going to be looking at how to convert an improper fraction to a mixed fraction. Because whenever you encounter an improper fraction, it is expected of you to convert it to a mixed fraction. So check out the next video in my playlist to see how to convert improper fraction to mixed fraction. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like the video, share with your friends, and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more maths content. See you in the next video. Bye.